Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video we're gonna be actually doing a repair. We are going to be repairing my Dean Evo XM. This guitar I had it for about 8 years, and the problem that it has is that a while back, like 2 months ago, it fell down and the potentiometer that goes over here broke right clean off. So it just snapped, and so that means that I cannot change the volume because this is like straight cut off. And what I did was just order some new potentiometers, and we're gonna be replacing it today. These are 500 kilo ohms potentiometers, and I mean they're fairly big and they are not very I guess standard. They're standard mostly for guitars, but usually standard for like electronics you usually use 10k, 100k and so on, maybe 50k, which is pretty odd, but let's see how this works. I know the value for this because I already checked it before ordering the parts. So all I need to do is take out this nut over here, and then if I flip the guitar, you can see that at the back I have this hatch, and under this hatch is where the potentiometer is and where we're gonna do all the soldering and so on. So let's start by taking out the this nut over here. This nut is what's holding the potentiometer from this side, and you can see it's kind of getting rusted already, so I might need to replace this this washer. Then the potentiometer is now loose on this side, so I gotta be careful flipping this stuff because I don't want to cause any more damage to this guitar. And I can get my screwdriver. So you can see this is kind of like for shielding, I guess. It kind of looks like foil paper. Has some pads for the pressure in these parts. So this is a potentiometer right here. It has another washer, one of those pressure washers, and it has I think a capacitor here. It should be a capacitor. It says 2A 473J, but here's the other potentiometer. Here is a switch. So basically this has the capacitor soldered to the back here. I'm not sure why. I think it's to ground the shell here that it has. Then there's this white wire is connected right to the middle. The capacitor is connected to the terminal on this side. Then this terminal on this side is empty, and then both of the other terminals, which is this ground wire and the other side of the capacitor, go back over here. Let's see, I think I'm gonna remove first the capacitor, and then I'm gonna remove the wire. It's hard because one, it's moving, two, it's hot as hell. There you go. So that's a capacitor there. This can be disposed of because there's no use for it. And now I'm gonna get another potentiometer, a new one, and you can kind of see it's slightly smaller actually. I'm not gonna hold this crap, but fuck. This is slightly smaller, like the diameter of the shaft is slightly smaller, but that's gonna be fine because I have the the new hardware which matches this potentiometer, so it doesn't really matter. It makes no difference. Either way, gonna put some solder in both terminals here. So I have some solder already in these two terminals, and I'm gonna put some solder at the back. As a matter of fact, I think I'm gonna put some flux on it first. Flux is gonna help this solder actually stick to the back better. So I'm gonna thin the terminals of the capacitor. Just a little bit. So now I'm gonna attach the ground and the other wire. Yeah, that's fine. That's pretty good. I'm gonna wipe it with some alcohol just to make sure I get rid of some of that flux. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me fixing my guitar. But yeah, it should be fixed now. I'm not gonna test it in this video because I know it works. The soldering joints should be fine. So that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please have a good day.